Okay, before you dive into our video, here's an opportunity that you do not want to miss. Join our free Creator Catalyst Masterclass this month to boost your income and impact in the world of digital learning. Just click the link below and register now. Back to the video. You want to make money online. We want you to make money online because when you make money online, we make money online. So let's make money online together. I'm Aaron from Thinkific, the best tool to help you start and grow your online education business. And in the next few minutes, I'm going to outline the most profitable online money-making strategies that have ever existed ever. When we're talking about making money online, we're actually talking about monetizing. Monetizing is the process of converting something into money. There are four main things that you can monetize online: your time, your expertise, your audience, or your products. Let's start with selling your time, since this is the easiest, fastest way to start making some extra income. For example, you can assist other businesses as a VA or virtual assistant. You can take online surveys through services like Survey Junkie, sign up for usertesting.com to help developers test their user interfaces, work for transcription companies or translation services, turning audio into words, do micro tasks on platforms like Amazon's Mechanical Turk, or if you've been blessed with some great pipes, you can do voiceovers on platforms like voices.com. Now here's the rub with almost all of these options. A lot of it is likely going to get automated by AI over the next little while here. And you're going to be dealing with marketplaces for the most part who take a part of your revenue. At this point, we need to talk about an important theme here when it comes to making money online. Marketplaces. A marketplace is where people go to find stuff or services. Owners of marketplaces create the space for people to find and buy what they want, and so they always take a cut when someone does. Marketplaces are the perfect place to start making money online, but they are not incredible ways to make the most money online. Once you can and want to do the marketing, you need to get off of a marketplace and on your own store. Okay, back to the video. While these tactics to sell your time last, you could make a quick buck off of it, but these strategies aren't likely to carry your cash flow forever. Now, when you monetize your expertise, you're taking your knowledge, your skills, your wisdom, and you're charging for access to it. This strategy is like the next level of selling your time. For example, if you're great at video editing, you could set up a profile on Freelancer, Upwork, or other gig marketplaces and start renting that expertise out. If you hate doing the work and you just want to tell other people how to get things done, you can join the world of consulting. It's still technically a service, meaning you can set up profiles on those marketplaces and sell your expertise this way, or you can do it on your own website. Okay, influencer, so you don't want to work for someone else and you don't want to work with people one-on-one, I get it. Then we need to start talking about monetizing your audience. A lot of people wonder, how do people like influencers actually make money if they're posting free content? Having an audience now is like having a gold mine back in the 1800s. Attention is the new gold and your audience is the mine. Brands want attention and they will pay heavily for it. And you don't have to be KB Lame or Kim Kardashian to monetize an audience. Micro-influencers with small and dedicated audiences can make full-time incomes through brand-sponsored content, affiliate links, donations on live streams, and more. Plus, many platforms have creator funds or ad revenue sharing schemes. Now, is this easy? No. But if you're really able to help a specific group of people and earn their trust, you can build a very strong business from that foundation. And on that note, if you're liking this guide so far, it would mean the world to us if you hit that subscribe button. We're giving out money-making advice for free regularly, and we'd hate for you to miss any. So we've covered 3 ways to make money online, but we wanted to save the best for last: products. There are 2 main product types: physical and digital. Physical products are tangible items you're already familiar with, from toilet paper and mugs to cars and computers. When it comes to selling physical goods, options are abound. You've got platforms like Amazon FBA, dropshipping, and for those with a creative touch, Etsy is a haven for unique creations. But selling physical goods comes with its challenges: logistics, Shipping can be costly and complex. Even with drop shipping where you don't handle the product, you're still in charge of sourcing, managing suppliers, and ensuring customer satisfaction. Marketplaces, they're convenient, but they take a significant cut from your profits. Scalability, your growth is limited by inventory. Managing large stocks isn't everyone's cup of tea. Digital products. This is where the magic happens. Create once, sell indefinitely. The process, almost as simple as copy and paste. While there might be initial costs, especially for intricate products like apps, the beauty is in the instant access for buyers anytime, anywhere. For experts who'd rather not trade time for money, digital products are the way to go. Kickstart your journey with tools like Canva, crafting PDF templates or guides. To sell, use platforms like Thinkific. You could use The Leap, or Gumroad is at your disposal. And for those eyeing bigger profits, delve into premium digital products like online courses. Platforms like Thinkific offer a free start where you get a whole website to create and sell online courses without having to share your profit with a marketplace. To show you the power of digital products, let me share a story of course creator Ellie from Ellie Talks Money. Ellie was once a corporate director. She faced a layoff and divorce, pushing her to find a way to support her 4 kids. But Ellie had expertise. With her $1,200 stimulus check, Ellie began offering coaching calls. She recognized the potential of online courses and transitioned to Thinkific to create one. Here she crafted interactive courses, elevating her brand and ensuring better student outcomes. In just a year, she saw nearly 50,000 course purchases and generated over 7 figures in revenue with her academy, Ellie Talks Money. Since then, her courses have evolved from simple screen recordings to comprehensive modules with quizzes and interactive elements. This not only elevated her brand, but also ensured better results for her students. Ellie's journey is a testament to the transformative power of monetizing your expertise with digital products. Her story underscores the potential that lies in making money online. And as we've discussed here today, there are 4 primary avenues to tap into this potential: monetizing your time, your expertise, your audience, and with products. Each path offers unique opportunities and challenges. And platforms like Thinkific can be pivotal in navigating these waters, especially when it comes to digital products. So if you're inspired and ready to take the next step, I urge you to check out Thinkific, dive into the world of online courses, and see the difference it can make for your brand and your business. If you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button for more insights and strategies to supercharge your money-making ventures. Until next time, keep dreaming, keep building, keep making money online. We'll see you in the next one.